The first new energy vehicle model epI-007 under the new energy brand Dongfeng Yipai is undergoing a renovation and upgrade process more than a year after its official launch. China Business News reporter learned in an interview that the 2025 epI-007 features comprehensive improvements in terms of charming beauty, intelligent inspiration, driving pleasure and safety texture, and is expected to be launched and delivered in late May. While maintaining the original extended range and pure electric dual-power layout, the 2025 epI-007's battery, central control display, vehicle machine system, intelligent cockpit, etc. have been comprehensively optimized and upgraded, and is expected to further enhance its competitiveness in the medium to large new energy sedan market. It is understood that Dongfeng Yipai, a new sub-brand of Dongfeng Group, a centralized automobile company, is focusing on the mainstream new energy market, positioning itself as a mainstream technology electric brand in the series of Dongfeng's independent new energy brands, using technology to solve practical needs and returning technology to human warmth. Dongfeng Yipai has currently launched two models, Smart and Stylish Dynamic Automobile, epI-007, and Family Intelligent Large SUV, epI-008. And has achieved monthly sales of more than 10,000 vehicles in just 6 months. Of these, Dongfeng Yipai epI-007 is based on Dongfeng's quantum architecture. The all-electric version was officially launched on March 14, 2024, and the extended range version was launched and delivered on August 9 of the same year. It will enter the new energy vehicle market with the confidence of comprehensive product development. The 2025 epI-007 has a body size of 4,880 by 1,895 by 1,470 mm and a long wheelbase of 2,915 mm. It has an excellent driving area and features a wide, low, arched and fastback body design. The drag coefficient is reduced to 0.209 by optimizing 23 aerodynamic components. The new 19-inch Starlight sports wheels and red calipers contribute to the dynamic tension. It is understood that the epI-007 won the 2024 Red Dot Product Design Award for its extraordinary appearance design, and its appearance is very popular among young people. The 2025 epI-007 features frameless doors and Sky Lattice LED transition rear taillights paired with electric hidden exterior door handles. The electric rear wing, which can automatically rise and lower according to factors such as vehicle speed and scene mode, helps to increase the vehicle's driving stability and highlight the sense of sportiness with technology. Inside the cockpit, there are a few physical buttons on the center console, and it is equipped with an upgraded 15.6-inch central control smart display and a 10.25-inch instrument display, as well as a leather-heated steering wheel that highlights the quality in details. In addition to the improvements made to the interior fabrics and comfort, the 2025 epI-007 massage system has also been renewed. The entire vehicle is equipped with an 8-point wide area hand massage system as standard. The massage intensity is 30% stronger than before, and the massage area is increased by 15%. In terms of intelligent performance, it is equipped with the ePOS 2.0 vehicle system, which supports card partitioning, split-screen interaction, personalized wallpaper settings, and a richer vehicle ecosystem. Full-scene voice interaction integrates artificial intelligence large language models such as Doubao and DeepSeek, which can provide users with a smarter and safer driving experience. In the era of electrification, the power performance and battery safety of new energy vehicles are of great interest to consumers. After the battery upgrade, it is understood that the pure electric version will support 3C fast charging and have a maximum range of 650 kilometers. The extended range version that supports 4C fast charging has a comprehensive range of 1,230 kilometers, which can meet the needs of daily commuting and long-distance travel, in addition to the 230 kilometers pure electric range.